How much does the average roof cost?
That can vary between the size of the project and the complexity of it, but I'm going to say on the low end project generally costs about $3,000, and then our estimates for residential generally don't go over $13,000. Cost is determined by the size of the property, the pitch, and the complexity, including the products you'd like to be used.
What type of shingles should I use?
You should use a Class 4 impact rated shingle for Calgary's climate. I refer to Calgary as Hail City, and insurance companies are starting to catch on to this. So they're starting to offer discounts for using this shingle, and you're going to save money with less hail claims, which generally cost about $1,000 to $2,500 per deductible. So it costs a little bit more, but definitely my preferred approach over a Class 3 shingle.
How do I tell if my roof needs to be replaced?
Visually speaking, if it's starting to curl up or you're starting to notice wear and tear, it's generally a sign. You could also base it on the age. So generally speaking, roofs of the older generation don't last more than 15 to 25 years.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.